Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something really exciting, the 5 most advanced swimming pool technologies in the world. These innovations are changing the way we experience pools, making them smarter, cleaner, and way more luxurious. First on the list are automated smart pool systems. Imagine having a pool that takes care of itself. With artificial intelligence-driven monitoring and app-based controls, these systems automatically adjust the water's pH, chlorine, and even the temperature. All you need is your phone, and you can manage the entire pool, lights, pumps, and cleaning with just a few taps. Next up is ozone and UVC water purification. This technology replaces harsh chemicals like chlorine with advanced disinfection methods. Ozone gas and UVC kill bacteria and viruses naturally, giving you crystal clear water that's gentle on your skin and eyes. Resorts all over the world are already using this to give guests the best swimming experience. Now, this one is really futuristic: movable pool floors. These are hydraulic floors that can rise or lower depending on your needs. You can transform the pool from a shallow kids' splash zone into a full-depth diving pool, or even turn it into a flat, dry platform for events. It's like having multiple pools in one. For number 4, let's talk about robotic pool cleaners. These are like little underwater robots that clean the pool for you. They map out the entire surface, scrub the walls, vacuum the floor, and some even release clarifiers for sparkling clear water. It's the ultimate hands-free pool maintenance. And finally, we have the jaw-dropping infinity and sky pools. These aren't just pools, they're architectural marvels. Infinity pools give the illusion of endless water blending into the horizon, while sky pools, like the famous one in London, are suspended high above the ground with transparent acrylic walls. Swimming here feels like floating in the sky. So there you have it, 5 of the world's most advanced swimming pool technologies: smart automation, ozone and UV purification, movable floors, robotic cleaners, and iconic infinity and sky pools. The future of swimming is definitely here, and it's all about combining technology with luxury and sustainability. There you have it. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Have a nice day.